Hey everyone, and welcome to Boss Advisory. Today we're going to talk about how to develop your life's vision. I once believed that considering a goal for my life was a pointless waste of time. It seems overly sentimental as well. But when I began to understand how to alter my behavior, I came to the realization that many people avoid developing a life goal because they think the process is pointless. Why create a vision if it is impossible to make these things happen? Over the past few years, I've also noticed something else: the most interesting accomplished people. I am aware that everyone has a life vision. They appear to be aware of what happens next. They appear to have seen the future. Folks that are trapped and have the hopeless look in their eyes, on the other hand, are people I encounter or know. Like they're merely going through the motions without happiness or ambition. They don't possess any of them. In many cases, they don't even have long term objectives. At my most recent high school reunion, this became brutally obvious. It is true that having a vision improves your ability to change your life, or that changing your life makes having a vision possible. Having a vision for your life and being able to alter it are the yin and yang of living a wonderful life. They are mutually dependent and complementary of one another. Find the drive to transform your life. You'll be able to envision it or envision your life and then discover how to make changes to it. What distinguishes a life from a vision and long term objectives? Goals are personal experiences and successes. The larger perspective is what you strive for. Who you want to be is determined by your life's vision. What would you like to be remembered for? And the range of encounters and successes you hope to have. Your vision becomes your why. Your vision should try to answer issues, and it aids in defining the goals by providing a framework to evaluate those goals. What kind of life do you hope to have led when you are 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, or 80 years old? What sort of individuals do you want around you? What do you think your potential is? What are the biggest things you could achieve if you had the perfect environment, resources, and drive? What would you like to alter about the world? What could you do for the world that you could be happy and proud of? When you pass away, what would you like others to remember and say about you? In reality, if you begin by addressing these issues, it should be simple to establish the vision for your life. You must first decide what is important in life. This is where taking a philosophy course in college will be helpful. Here, you must delve deeply and existentially. What is life's true purpose? What kind of life should you lead? Your opinion about what counts most in life won't be flawless. And it's okay. Regardless of your answer, you can alter it whenever you examine your life's vision because the goal is to set a goal for yourself. There will be things you wish to do or be, and resources will be required to support those endeavors. Then list the categories of things that are important to you. The following are the categories that are now on my list: ability, skills, knowledge, character, and relationships. Curate and cultivate them. Your list can and should look different. Time, riches, using the time you have wisely, experiences, successes, satisfaction, being satisfied with who you are as you are. And perhaps the ultimate objective can all be included. What matters to you and what you want out of your limited existence on Earth are the only things that count. Now list the things you want or need from each of your categories. Work backwards from the things you wish to do or experience to determine how the other categories should serve your overall life goals. Create a statement that sums up your perfect life, and that's it. Although it can sound corny, this entire process can be a ton of fun and payoff. While on a 10-day vacation in Hawaii, I simply updated my life's goal. It was the ideal environment for introspection. A general description of your perfect existence will make up your vision statement, together with a list of the things that matter most and high-level objectives for each one. What's next? If you only complete this exercise, you might experience some benefits because your vision will be in the back of your mind and you'll be working towards it unconsciously. But you must go deeper if you want to have the best chance of realizing your vision. You must create a system where you update your action plan for achieving those goals and regularly assess your visions and goals. Making your system a habit, something you do without thinking or needing to remind yourself to do, should be your first objective. Build life planning time into your daily and weekly routines until it becomes a habit by beginning with calendar reminders and to-do list items. Developing life's vision may look a bit tasky, but will for sure lead you to a brighter tomorrow. Alongside that, here's one of the millennial ways you can try to work on that allows you to make profitable money online right from the comfort of your own home. And as a matter of fact, you can take it with you anywhere you go. If that interests you, make sure to click the first link down below to find out. Thank you guys so much for watching Boss Advisory, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and hit that bell so you get notified on every new incredible content we make for you. Have a wonderful day and see you in the next one.